Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud engineer tutorial. Today we are again in AWS. Our scenario for today, the Nautilus DevOps team has received a request from the networking team to set up a new public VPC to support a set of public-facing services. This VPC will host various resources that need to be accessible over the internet. As part of this setup, you need to ensure the VPC has public subnets with automatic IP assignment for resources. Additionally, a new EC2 instance will be launched within this VPC to host public applications that require SSH access. This setup will enable the networking team to deploy and manage public-facing applications. Create a public VPC named this and a subnet named this under the same. Make sure the public IP is being auto-assigned to resources under the subnet. Further, create an EC2 instance named this under this VPC. Make sure port SSH22 is open for this instance and accessible over the internet. All right, so let's get started. We'll go in the AWS portal and look for VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. Let's copy this. Now, copy that. We'll go to your VPC and we'll go and create one. You only want a VPC only. We'll paste our name here and then we'll choose a CIDR block range, and I'm going to choose 10.0.0.0/16, and that's all that we need to do right there. Go ahead and create that. And then our VPC is right here. Let's go to subnets and create a subnet. And we'll select our VPC that we just created. Copy the name of our subnet. Paste it here. We won't have any preference for availability zone, and we're going to choose our subnet CIDR block of 10.0.0.0/24 and create subnet. There's our subnet. We're going to click our subnet right here, go to actions, go to edit subnet settings, and we're going to auto assign public IPv4 addresses. Click save. All right, we're going to go to let's go to internet gateways first. Create internet gateway, and we're just going to call this Nautilus IGW. Right, we'll need this in order to allow internet to our subnet. And we'll go to actions right here, attach to VPC, and we're going to attach it to the VPC that we created. Attach. Now we'll go to routing table, or route table rather. Create route table, and we'll just call this Nautilus RT, and click to attach it to our VPC that we created and create route table. And we can edit our route rules here. We just want to add one rule that goes to the internet from our internet gateway, and we'll choose the internet gateway that we created. Save changes. Excellent. So that's done. And now we can go to EC2 in the search and create our EC2 instance. All right, so we'll go to instances, launch instance, copy the name of our instance here, and paste it here. Paste, come down, create new IP pair, and we'll just call it the same name as our instance. Right there. We'll save it to our computer. And we're going to come to network settings, click edit, and we are going to choose our VPC that we created. It's going to auto configure our subnet, and auto assign public IP is enabled, so we'll just leave that there. We're going to leave the rule that says we have open access to port 22 from anywhere, so we're going to leave that. And Oh, that's fine. So we'll launch our instance now. Okay. And, all right. So we will go to instances, refresh, and there's our instance all set up. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to SSH into it from my terminal here. SSH I key EC2. Oh, never mind. Hold on a second. That's what happened. So let me fix the permissions on this thing right now. All right, now I can SSH Fusion EC2 user. All right, so hold on. Something is not right here. Security. Okay, so let's go back to our VPC. Okay, here we go. So we forgot to add the association to our route table to our subnet. So let's go ahead and save that. All right, let's try that again. And there we are. We are now in our EC2 instance that we launched in this private virtual cloud. Virtual private cloud, rather. Let's go ahead and validate our tasks in KodeKloud. This. All right, as you can see, that is correct. We smashed it. Give me a like, comment, subscribe if you found any value in this video. I got more videos coming soon, so make sure you stick around, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.